layer in for the first one, pat it down, and from now onwards, the back of the parchment paper will help you push the roll into itself. So we have one, and fold, like that, fold, and come to this, and we're going to transfer this roughly halfway onto our parchment paper, and we need to tighten the roll. So oftentimes when you look at it or when you even touch it, you'll feel some air pockets in there. We need to tighten the roll to get rid of all the air pockets. So you make sure the parchment paper covers the roll completely, and you have a little bit at the bottom that you can pull and tug. So at home, you're positioning it like this, facing you. The flap goes over the roll, and you have the bottom flap loose. So the bottom flap is loose, your hand will be tugging this. So I'm going to turn this around so that you can see what I'm doing. So I'm holding this palette knife, goes underneath the parchment paper on the top and pushes it in. And as I'm pushing it in, I'm pulling the bottom flap away. If it was facing me, I'd be pulling it towards me. So come in here, do the center bit, and come to the end and do this. So you can use your palette knife, you can use a ruler for this as well. And this is just to tighten your roll. Okay. Nice and tight. Okay.